Hey y'all, welcome back to the kitchen. Today I got another kind of short cooking video for you. I don't know if I'd actually call it a cooking video, tip video, whatever. But we're gonna make grilled barbecued chicken in the oven. I'm gonna show you all what's going on, and we'll get to cooking. Alright y'all, this is what we got here. I don't remember if you guys remember in one of my previous videos I talked about how if I'm grilling, a lot of times I'll throw extra stuff on the grill. Well, this is one of those times. I had a whole bunch of chicken breast, probably 15 or more. I actually cut them in half, make them smaller portions. I had grilled them all up, put them in the freezer, froze them up. Well, I'm hungry for barbecued chicken. I ain't got the time to go out and fire the grill up and cook some more chicken, so I pulled some of these out of the freezer. We're going to throw them in this pan right here, throw some barbecue sauce on them, cover them, and pop them in the oven for about half an hour, 45 minutes, something like that. We're just warming them back up, but we'll get that taken care of, and then we'll bring y'all back. Alright y'all, there you go. I got them in the pan. I slathered them up with some my favorite barbecue sauce here, Sweet Baby Ray's, the original. I'm going to take another piece of foil back here and throw that over top of it. Once my oven gets up to 350, we'll throw them in there, like I said, for about a half an hour or so. Just, like I said, got to warm them through. So we'll get that other sheet of foil on there, get these things in the oven, get them cooking, and then we'll bring y'all back. Alright y'all, I forgot to mention that when I do this, I slice some onions up and throw on top of my chicken breast like this, and then I put the foil on them, put it in the oven. So my oven's warm. I'm going to fold the foil back over on top of that, and we'll get her thrown in and get her cooking. And when these suckers are all nice and done, we'll bring you back. Alright y'all. Just got this out of the oven. Been in there for about 30 minutes. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh yeah, she's looking good. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to switch my oven over to broil, and I'm going to put these things under the broiler just to kind of caramelize that barbecue sauce, just like you get on the grill. So we're going to do that, and we'll bring y'all right back. Alright y'all, this has been in the broiler there for a little while. Ooh, look at that. That barbecue sauce is thickened up really nice. Kind of caramelized there. So let me grab a trident here. It's a trident. It's a three-pronged fork. Well, it wouldn't be a fork, it'd be a trident. So anyways, get these suckers over here on this plate. Now this recipe or tip works great for pork too. In the fall I'll get a bunch of boneless pork chops, and I will throw them things on the grill, rub them with some of my smoker rub. We'll cook them up, freeze them. In the middle of the winter, you can take them out, throw them in the crock pot with some barbecue sauce, and you have barbecued pulled pork that tastes like it just come off the grill. You can also do these in the crock pot also. So let's get a chop of that off there. Very hot. Very hot, but very good. And of course, I got some of that pickled cabbage over here too. So alright y'all, there you have it. Hope you enjoyed that little cooking tip, whatever you want to call it. This really works good for like if you're going to like a family reunion or something like that, and you want to take barbecued chicken, and it's easy. You can do this up a long time ahead of time just by, you know, grilling it all up, letting it cool, packing it in, you know, bags and stuff, put it in the freezer, and then all you got to do is warm it back up. That chicken there was marinated in an Italian dressing for about 2 days. About 2 days before I grilled it. So it's really moist and juicy. Like I said, you can do this in the crock pot. You can do it with pork. You can do it with the chicken. I've even done it with sausages. Grilled the sausage, froze them, brought them out, put them in marinara sauce in the crock pot for, you know, a few hours, warm them back up. Absolutely tastes like it just come off the grill. So hope you guys enjoyed that, and we'll catch you all on the next one. Bon appetit.